This is the Strymon Ola chorus and tremolo unit, and we're going to unbox it today. So this is the packaging for the Strymon Ola Chorus and Vibrato. It's incredible, you know, if you compare the price of this unit to analog units, for example, the Boss unit, the Wazacraft version, you'll find that the price is pretty comparable. I mean, they're pretty close. And when you consider the breadth of effects you can get on this unit, which is a digital unit, as compared to the analog one, I mean, for me, the decision was easy. I just said, well, if I'm going to spend, you know, $350 or $400, I'm going to make sure I get the one with the most features. It's a chorus that I bought this primarily for anyway, not the vibrato, but either way. Chorus, I don't think it has as much character to it as many other effects. The basic idea of a chorus is you've got your clean signal, and then if you got another copy of your clean signal, the pitch of which is being waved up and down at some rate and to some degree. And so, you know, how different can it really be? Chorus, for the most part, is going to sound like a chorus, but this unit has some other features that I thought, well, if I'm going to spend the money, I might as well get the extra features. So, for example, in this one, you can set it in chorus mode, but there's a multi-mode that's, you'd have to hear it to understand it, and then there's a vibrato mode, and then there's 3 modes for each of those settings, an adjuster for each of those settings, a mix between the clean and the dry, tone, you know, whether it's more bassy or more trebly, the speed at which that signal waves, the depth of the wave, whether it's shallow, you know, this would be a shallow setting, or a deeper wave. So that's the Strymon digital. Got the left in, left out, right out, so it's a stereo unit, 9-volt powered. Let's have a look in the box. Just the plastic for the unit. We've got a warranty information, a Strymon sticker, this has got to be the power supply, I can imagine, or like the power cord. Yes, that's all that is. And it looks like, yes, we got the requisite 4 feet for the unit, so the unit doesn't sit flat on whatever surface you put it on. It sits on those 4 feet. All right, so that's the unboxing of the Strymon Ola Chorus and Vibrato.